Now look at this man standing on the edge.
Well, I got a thing here below me. I'm not standing over there. Ain't nothing.
How gorgeous is this? How gorgeous. We're here on Memorial Day.
Elk.
Okay, y'all see how full that parking lot is? This is Memorial Day weekend. There's a lot of folks here.
That's the head of the trail for Bright Angel.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people on the trail, but we think it's probably closed partially way down.
Yeah.
They're going down a ways and coming back up. Boy, you can see it over here. You can walk to this edge because it's got a thing right here. A lot of switchbacks down through there.
Yeah, buddy.
Got a good angle.
I mean, there's not too many people, more than what there were the other day. There's a trail down there. You can see it.
See all the switchbacks.
And see the green? See the green there? That's where they have camping when you take this trail. You have to register to be able to stay down there.
Well, they got rest points where you camp because you can't
do it
in super hiker.
Yeah.
You know, do it one day.
It's a gorgeous place, that's for sure.
What you do is you're hiking to the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, hiking to the other side.
Rest them knees.
That's it. It's a truly gorgeous place. And most people think there's no trees here.
Oh, there's pine everywhere.
Yeah.
Cedar, aspen, there's juniper. It's everything. The North Rim has way more ponderosa because it's higher.
Oh, for sure.
It has a whole different ecosystem over there.
It's amazing it's not windy here like it was at home.
In the forest.
In the forest. At camp. Yeah, you're pretty close now.
Oh, there's a little ledge here. There's a little ledge. You can see the Colorado River right there peeking at you. 10 years here, never see it all.
They do have the restrooms open. Yay!
Crosswalk for elk.
Good morning. Hope all is well in y'all's world. We're in the little town of Valle, and it's right off of 64 before you get to the Grand Canyon, but it's on 64. Williams is straight ahead, and you turn right here at the corner to go to Flagstaff. Bobby's fueling up getting our gas for our generators and all that good stuff. But we stopped right here at the Chevron, and look at this. Is this not cool? This is really cool. We love the old stuff. Love it. Look at the old gas pumps. Wow. Nice. Oh, army truck here. El Camino. Oh, isn't she pretty? Ooh, look at that Mustang. I love the old gas pumps though. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Awesome. Off Route 66. How cool is that? Look at this gas pump. Out. Wow. Here. 29 cents a gallon. Woohoo! It's $2.29 a gallon. That is so sweet. My uncles had trucks like these. Loved it. Loved it, loved it. See, you never know what you're gonna find on the road. Never know. And if you're interested, Bird of Prey Park is across the street. And they've got a Yabba Dabba Doo Park across the street, campground. I don't know how much it is. They have a laundromat, restroom, showers, all that good stuff. But this is the little town of Valle, V-A-L-L-E. And they have a tower right there, and I have 4 bars. It's very nice indeed.